Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are fine. In today's video we are going to make some jewelry with waste stuff that is available at home, and also I'm going to tell you some hacks for the jewelry for your kids. Now here you can see first I am making the earrings. Now these are the normal earrings that are available in the market. Now I am going to make it wear for the kids whose ears are not pierced. My daughter's ears are not pierced yet, so I needed to make something for her. So I got an idea and I thought to share it with you also. Now I have removed its stick. I don't know what its name, but I have removed it. That was on the back of earring, and I'm pasting the stoppers that we all have with our earrings at home. So I'm pasting that with the help of glue gun. Here you can see I have taken two types of stoppers. One is plain and the other is with some pointed surface. That is the common one also. So I'm using that one on the back because it will help us in holding the back side of this earring. Okay, so you can see it. Now just paste it. Earrings are ready for our kids here. You can, no need for the piercing. They can wear it and look beautiful. Now let's go to make the second pair of earring. In this I am using these not working earphones that I have at home. Now you'd be confused why these, because these earphones have the magnets inside them. When you break and take it out, you'll find a little magnet inside it, and that's the best magnet you can use for the earrings. Definitely I'm making for kids, so it will work for them. Now I have taken it out from both the earpieces. Here both the magnets you can see. They are very teeny tiny, but they'll work for us. And we definitely need second pair of magnets, but I don't have it, so I use these two pieces that I had at home. On these pieces, black pieces, I am going to make the earring top. So here is it. I have taken a coin and taken some cutout from this foaming sheet. I have taken this foaming sheet, red foaming sheet. This red is a piece of a lace that I had at home, and this was just a tiny small piece, and so I thought to use it here. You can see I am just pasting it on the foaming sheet, and then I will paste the magnet on it, the black one. After that I am going to paste some pearls, small pearls on it for its like beauty and presentation, so it will look a little bit cute. Here the earrings are ready. You can see they look so beautiful in no time. And on its back you can see how are we going to use it. We have part on our ear and the silver on back of the ear. Now I am going to make third pair of earrings. This is very simple, very easy and very cute. Take the magnet that we took out from the earpiece, paste any bead you have at home. I had these square crystal beads. I pasted a pearl on it and I pasted it on this magnet that we took out from the earphone. Now you can see the earrings are ready. That's simple and so cute. Comes the very important part of our Eid jewelry, the bangles. Now we are going to make bangles. Now for the bangles I have used this empty tissue roll, kitchen napkin roll. So I have cut it in the shape of bangle, you can see, and now I am going to wrap it with a woolen thread. I had some woolen threads at home, so I used that. I didn't buy any special for this. Whatever you have at home, you can use that. I've took the double thread. Now I will wrap it all around this paper roll bangle, and I'm using velcro for it. Here you can see I have pasted the velcro on it, on both the sides of it. Now for the upper look and presentation, I have taken this foaming sheet, grey foaming sheet. You can take any color. I just thought grey will look good with the sea green or won't be so prominent, so I took that. And I have taken this beads, some random beads I had at home, so I am using that. Some pearls, some crystal beads, and just pasted all around this big bead that I had, this kundan bead in the center. Here you can see it's ready. Now we are going to paste it on our bangle. You can see bangle is ready. So easy, so beautiful. Now here comes the pair of bangles. These are the second ones that I am making. I am taking 3 pieces of these cutouts of these paper roll. The center one is a bit thicker and the ones that are on side are a little thin. Now I am pasting them and making a bangle out of it. See? Now I have taken these woolen rolls. One is dark green and the red. Now I am going to wrap it all around these bangles. Take double, that will be easy. Now the red one is not woolen, sorry, it's the anchor thread. Here you can see the bangles are ready. So I am going to sew some beads on it. I am not pasting it because I am making it for my daughter, so she will remove it very quickly. So I am going to sew it. I have taken some pearls and crystals that I had at home, and you can see these. For the red one I have taken some bigger beads. You can see they are ready. Now I am using the same lace that I have shown you previously that I use for earring. This is the one. I use its sides and some part of it in these bangles. You can see bangles are ready. They look so beautiful, and I have not used any expensive stuff, no nothing, and so beautiful bangles are ready. Now let's make the rings. Now for the rings I have taken this golden, you can see it's not a ring or a band. This came with my swing box. I had 2 of these, so I am using that. Their edges are not sharp or nothing. I am just using it. I have just pasted a bead on it, and see, the ring is ready. For the second ring I am using the lace that I had previously, the same one. I am using that. I have pasted that on the ring. The band I had golden one and a bead on it, a pearl on it. Second one is ready too. So easy and within 5 minutes. Now here comes the last and the most beautiful part. It's the necklace. Now for the necklace I have taken this red bead necklace I had, mala you can call it. It's stretchable, so it will be easy for her to wear. And I have put 3 beads on it, and that's it. It's ready. So that was our today's video. I hope you liked all this jewelry and you will try it at your home. And please do tell me in comments that you liked it, or please do share your views with me. Take care, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.
Take care, bye bye. And don't tell us die.